Nail art holds immense value in contemporary life, serving as a medium for self expression, a tool for enhancing beauty and confidence, a form of relaxation and self care, and a reflection of cultural and social significance. It's a thriving industry that supports artists and entrepreneurs, adapts to trends and pop culture, and fosters social bonds. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, nail art contributes to personal wellness and hygiene. In a world that values diversity, individuality, and show your personality, nail art is not merely a beauty trend but a mean of empowerment and self diversity. Celebrate diversity, positivity, and inclusivity with a rainbow color and gradient nail touch. The rainbow has long been a symbol of hope and unity, making it an excellent choice for outdoor events and collaborative projects that promote these values. Create a seamless gradient of all the colors of the rainbow across your nails or option for a rainbow French tip for a subtler. The rainbow across your nails option is a subtler approach. Whichever you choose, your nails will radiate vibrancy and positivity.